Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate QR code scanning on your iPhone 17. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the camera app on your iPhone 17. And now let me grab the phone and put the QR code right here. So as you guys can see, here we have it, and now we can simply scan it. It's already enabled. Now here we have the results, and we are getting our site, so the HardReset.Info. Now as you guys can see, here we can do that again, and whenever I just simply do that, then as you guys can see, this should disappear in a second, and whenever I go back, it will come back because it's reading the QR code. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.